The woman had just finished swimming when she spotted her husband climbing a tree, talking on the phone with another woman. Lucy tried calling out to David, but he seemed nervous and lied that he was trying to pick coconuts, though coconuts were scattered all over the ground. David's behavior made Lucy suspect he was having an affair. Furious, Lucy hatched a plan to get back at him. First, she acted as if nothing had happened. After lulling David to sleep, Lucy began her scheme. She tossed David's phone into the sea and hid the boat. The next day, Lucy deceived David, claiming they were stranded on the island. In truth, Lucy wanted to spend time alone with David. However, David had secretly witnessed Lucy hiding the boat. So on the third morning, David trapped Lucy to escape alone by boat. But Lucy had already set a trap aboard. Not only did David fall into the sea, the boat was destroyed too. Now neither could leave. Yet instead of cooperating to escape, David and Lucy now sought to kill each other. Lucy, an archery athlete, crafted a recurve bow from bamboo poles and began her hunt. David chose to hide first until he suddenly discovered a secret.